welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. Happy New Year to all of you. And today it has been so long anyway. I am doing my first 2021 video and I'm super energetic and excited as well. Now today I am going to share my makeup and skincare favorites of 2020. Now I did few videos like a top 5 videos of 2020 like foundation, eyeshadow and lipstick. Every year I do this favorites of past years, so today I thought let's share that with you guys. And also I know a lot of people will ask me what lip shade I'm wearing because I love this. I'm actually wearing these two lip shades from Lakme. Now this is the Lakme Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. I am wearing this called Crazy Tangerine and this is Natural Nude. I have mixed both of them and the shade is just amazing. Now let's move on to the video and let me just quickly share my top 15 of 2020. I know the title says skincare and makeup, but there is also two hair care products which I am in love with. So the first one is this Alan Truman Blow Brush. I am super impressed with it. I have a first impression of this on my channel. You can check it out. I love this, you guys. I'm definitely going to recommend this to everybody out there. Now this one is currently at offer at 35 to 38% off, I guess, and I think this is something which is worth it and you should definitely have it because it saves time. It will take like a maximum 15 minutes to dry your hair and make it like very nice voluminous blow dry, but for me it takes less than 10 minutes and it's a time saver product. I love it and I definitely going to recommend this to you. So the first thing is the Alan Truman Blow Brush from hair care range, and the next one is the Vela Nutri-Enrich Nourishing Anti-Static Spray. Now I love this. It makes my hair super soft, smooth and manageable, and I love this, you guys. The formula is very good. It has a good slip on it. You can spray this all over your hair. If you want that curls as well, you can take it on your hand and crunch it. You can use however you like. And there are few more hair care products I wanted to talk, but not in this video. I will do a separate video because I have been testing this out from a long time, so I will definitely do a review. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. Let's move on to the skincare and makeup right now. Okay, next up is MAC Strobe Cream and the shade I love is Pink Like. Now it's great. I love this shade. I think it suits me completely amazingly, and this has a very nice hydrating formula. Whenever I skip makeup, I just use this all over my face after my sunscreen and apply some mascara, brow product, lipstick and blush, and that's it. I don't have to apply a highlighter, but I do. But I still do. I take this and apply as a little bit of highlighter as well sometimes, but this is very hydrating. I love the formula and also the shade compliments me so much, and I'm definitely going to recommend this to you. Next is a skincare product and this is from Avene. This is their Sulfate Repair Cream. Now I recently got this last month and I tried it and I'm completely in love with it. It is a very thick moisturizing repairing cream. It takes time to blend, okay, but it works like a magic. Whenever I get a lot of bumps on my skin and I apply this and the next morning I don't have any bump, and I just love this, you guys. It is such a good product. Now this one retails for ₹1200 and you can apply this on the affected area. I like to use it all over my face because whenever I get bump I get all over my face, so it's quite thick, so you have to keep that in mind. Otherwise I love this product. Next up is a makeup product and this is a primer. I use it as a primer as well as a setting spray, and I think this works amazingly, and that is this Smashbox Primer Water. It makes my skin look so hydrating and dewy. I love it. I love using it as a primer and a makeup setting spray as well, and I thank you Nidhi for suggesting me this, and I am totally in love with it. Once I'm done with this, I'm definitely going to repurchase the bigger bottle. Alright, next up is another skincare product and I have been using this since I think 2019 last. I don't remember. I guess I have included this in my 2019 favorites as well, but I don't care. I love this product so much that I thought let's share this with you guys. So this is the Pack Deep Exfoliating Peel Off Scrub. Now this is something which works amazingly if you have dry and flaky dead skin, and it works really nicely. I use it once a week because I do have sensitive skin right now. I like using this once a week, or else you can use this twice or thrice a week, whatever you like. I have suggested to few people and they all love it, and I am definitely going to recommend this to you. If you have acne prone skin, it doesn't matter, this actually works. And it retails for rupees 700 something like that, which is affordable. So definitely give this one a try. Alright, next I have two brow product I am crazy about. So the first one is the Pack Super Brow Cream, and now these are the two shades I have, 03 and 04. I personally go for 03, which is more of chocolate brown, and 04 is more of a grayish brown. So I really like it. These are very pigmented. I have two shades right here, and you can see it's still so much left. I use it like every single day maybe, and this works amazingly. It is extremely pigmented, it is very creamy, it glides on easily, it gives you that hair strokes as well. It is also comparable to ABH brow pomade, and if you guys want a battle video of this too, let me know in the comment section below. So I love this product so much. And the next brow product I love is the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Powder. This is something very good, and you don't have to take a brush or any spoolie. You just take this product, just fill in your brows and you're done. I think this is such an innovative product. I love this, and the shade I like using for myself is 04, and I think you should definitely give this one a try. Next up is a mascara, and I know I don't have to talk about this, but I thought a lot of people are new, so I had to share this. So this is the Forever 52 Lengthening Tornado Mascara. This is my absolute favorite. It makes my lashes look so voluminous, and it also gives length, so I love it, and I would highly recommend this to you. I don't want to talk about this because a lot of people don't like me talking about this, so nahi baat karte, lekin I would definitely recommend this. Next up is an Indian brand, and this is the Cover Pots. These are by Cups and Lashes, and I absolutely love this. I have a review of this on my channel. I know I've talked about this on my foundation top 5 foundation video, but I thought let's give a shout out to her because she did an amazing job. Nidhi, great again. So I am going to mention the links. You can definitely check this one out. Coming to the next product, which is a highlighter, and I have been loving this K Beauty highlighter so much. So the shade I'm talking about is Champagne. So the shade I'm talking about is Champagne Fizz. I love this so much. The shades are beautiful. It complements Indian skin tones. They have shades for fair, medium, dark, but the formula is so soft. It glides on easily. It gives you that very nice luminous finish. You can apply this very lightly, or just go ahead and blind everybody. And this one I think retails for rupees 700 something, and you get 8.5 gram product, and the formula is so good. I think you should definitely give this one a try. Next up is something which I daily use right now whenever I apply makeup. Now that is the Sugar Face Forward Stick Corrector in the shade Peach 01. This is something which is amazing. I have talked about this in so many of my videos, and this actually helps to cover up all the pigmentation, scar mask This actually helps to cover up all the marks, pigmentation and dark circles, dark spots. So I would definitely recommend this to you. And this is extremely pigmented, you guys. I have been using this so many days, but it's still this much left, and I think it's going to last you really long. And actually you need teeny tiny bit of it. You don't need too much, and it covers out all the pigmentation out. So I love it. Next up is a makeup remover, and this is from Clinique. Now I have heard great reviews. I saw a lot of people talking about it, but I generally thought that was just a hype product, but I have used it by myself, and let me just quickly show you how much. So I hope you can see how much product I have used it. I use it every single day because I love this so much. It melts the product, like the makeup, so well. And even waterproof mascara gone, waterproof lipstick gone. I love this so much. And I also have started using something different, like a very affordable makeup remover balm. So if you guys want a comparison, let me know. I would love to do that. But honestly, this is something very, very good, and you should definitely give this one a try. Next, I have this Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. This is something which works so nicely. I have been using this from so many months, and it smells delicious, and it actually helps to remove all the dead skin from your body, and also helps to remove tan, which I love. Whenever I use this, I fell in love because I love the fragrance and I love the product so much. I think you should definitely try this one out if you haven't already. And this is affordable as well. It is going to last you really, really long. And I think you can try this twice a week maybe. I use it once a week and it works amazingly for me. So I will mention the link down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Coming to the last product, I never thought I would like this because I bought it just because of the hype, and that is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Now the first day I used it, I was not that impressed, to be honest, but I kept on using it, and whenever I use it right now, it makes my lips baby soft. It takes away all the dead skin, and it just gives that very nice soft and supple lip, which I love. And I think you should definitely try this one out. I know a lot of people say this is like just hype. I also thought this is just hype, but it is not. It actually works and I love it. Oh my god, I was talking so fast because बच्चे आ जाएंगे खेलने के लिए नीचे, and बहुत आवाज़ आएगा, इसलिए मैंने जल्दी जल्दी वीडियो किया है. So कुछ भी गलत बोला, so I am very sorry for that. And again, I will mention the product details down in the description box below, so make sure you check that one out. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.